Ah, yes, those school days. You can, sit in class and eat glue, or you can do something even better. My name is Robert Segundo, and I'm going to teach you today how to make paper dolls. We're going to start off with our regular piece of paper. What we're going to do is we're going to fold our paper like so. We're going to try to fold it all in one direction. What I mean by that is kind of accordion style, like so. It's always better if you have a little bit more paper. There we go. We'll just do that little guy like that. Now, since your accordion style here, you have all of these lines are connecting, so you want to remember to keep these, and also keep these connecting ones here. So to do that, we're going to make some ladies. We'll cut up like so, and these are going to be your legs. We'll cut across like so. Now we don't want to cut this to a point or cut this off. We want to use this point as a hinge, so we'll cut back up like so. And let's cut out. We're going to cut out an arm right here. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and shape the head. Something like that. There we go. And just pull your paper dolls apart. And of course she's got a funkified head. We can come this back again. Let's just do it like this. There she goes. Now she doesn't look hypocephalic. All right. There you go. Your paper dolls. And then afterwards you can eat your glue. My name is Robert Segundo, and enjoy your paper dolls.